Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Welcome to my channel. This is entry number 27 into my birthday challenge giveaway, and it's from Emilee Grubb. And we are going to open it up. Let's see. Okay, is that a big one? Oh, there's a letter. Let me get that up. It's stuck in there. Oh my gosh, I can't get it, Emilee. Oh no. Oh, it's a card. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Pride of the kitchen soap. Oh, isn't this adorable? Oh my gosh. Look, guys, look at the gnome. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it so much. This is so cute. Oh, thank you. Oh, this is so cute. So she said, "Dear Gigi, love seeing your creations on YouTube. Hope you enjoy this entry. I used twin cheese to decorate the memory decks card. Hugs, Emilee. YouTube, Emilee's Paper Caper." Look how cute she decorated the inside too. Oh, thank you, hon. That is a beautiful card. I love it. It's going up on my board. Okay, and then she sent me some ephemera, and it's beautiful butterflies. I love butterflies. Beautiful flowers. Looks like some lavender. Forest. Oh my gosh, I love butterflies. This is so beautiful. Oh, thank you for sharing. I love these. Thank you so much. Oh, these are cute. Look at her memory decks. And then she used, it looks like stickles. She decorated it on up. It's so pretty. I love this, Emilee. Okay, so again, it's Emilee's Paper Caper, and I'm going to put it in the title. Her Instagram is egrupp284. I'll also put that down in the description box. And her birthday is 7/23. Mine's 7/20. Oh, thank you. Oh, this is so pretty. She decorated the back too, guys. I'm just staring at it. It's so pretty. I can't share it though. But it's so beautiful. Thank you so much for your entry, hun. I love it. I really love this card, and this is so cute, and I love my ephemera. Thank you for entering. And thank you guys who's been entering. I love all of your entries. They're so, so beautiful. All right, talk to y'all later. Love you. Bye.